Waste, an inevitable part of our lives. People all around the world are producing waste much faster than it can be decomposed, creating a huge burden on the environment, spreading disease, polluting water sources, and killing millions of people each year. In the next 3 minutes, you will be taken on an unforgettable journey to investigate the what, why, how, and who of waste mismanagement. This is a plastic bottle. Recyclables like these make up 40% of our garbage. On average, 40% of the waste produced by Canadians is organics, and only 20% of our waste is really non-reusable junk. Still, more than 60% of our waste is thrown away to be hauled to landfills or incinerated. Landfill waste have reusable materials that are very expensive to produce from scratch. For example, to make 1 ton of copper from scratch takes about 80,000 tons of raw material from underground mines, but copper of the same quality can be produced with just 14 tons of e-waste. Recyclables like this bottle creates a huge headache for the Markham Waste and Environmental Management Division. Since all the recycled waste is processed together, just a small amount of compost or hazardous waste can lower the overall quality significantly. As a result, almost 50% of our recyclables are shipped overseas to be processed because Canadian facilities do not have the technology needed to process low-quality recyclables. The shipping process creates additional greenhouse gas emissions, costs, and energy. The only alternative to shipping overseas is to throw this bottle into the landfill or the incinerator. Waste is either thrown into the landfill or incinerated. Landfill produce landfill gas, which can be poisonous. Incinerators contribute greatly to greenhouse gas emissions. Furthermore, if hazardous materials are incinerated, the energy produced can be dangerous. Many residents are not aware of the impacts waste disposal has on the environment. Thus, they don't feel the need to sort their garbage. A 2010 survey of Ontario residents revealed that 1 out of 3 residents have hazardous waste, but 46% of them don't dispose of their garbage due to lack of motivation. 32% don't know where to dispose of it. 25% lack access to drop-off areas. 25% lack curb service, and 21% don't want to pay disposal fee. To solve this problem, the first step is to reduce waste. Stop buying so much stuff. Buy what you need and only use reusable shopping bags, water bottles, and food containers. Avoid products with excessive packaging. But no matter what, we will always have waste. So remember to sort your waste and put them where they are supposed to go, so we can reduce the impacts on the environment by reducing, reusing, and recycling.